Now you left sweetly, like the sugar wind of the west. I was someone to lean on when you weren't your